Hey everyone, if you're new to HeyGen and want to create AI videos in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you everything beginners need to know to create their first video step by step. First, visit the HeyGen website and create a free account. You can sign up using your email address or a Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the HeyGen dashboard. This is where you can access projects, templates, avatars, and other tools. Now click Create Video to begin. HeyGen offers several ways to create videos, including templates and AI-generated projects. Next, select an AI avatar. So you can choose from hundreds of built-in avatars or create your own custom avatar. Type or paste the script you want the avatar to speak. HeyGen automatically converts your text into natural speech. You can customize the voice, accent, and language. HeyGen supports multiple languages and voice styles. Now add backgrounds, images, videos, and text elements. This helps make your content more professional and engaging. When everything is ready, click Generate. So HeyGen will process your project and create the final video automatically. After rendering, preview the video and make any necessary adjustments. You can edit the script, avatar, or scenes before exporting. Finally, click Download to save the video to your device. You can then upload it to YouTube, TikTok, or any social media platform. Start with short scripts and simple scenes. This helps you learn the platform faster and avoid wasting credits. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use HeyGen for beginners in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.